With the launch of successful missions, NASA now entering 60 in this new year. In this special year, NASA announced the Mission 2018 to-do list for launching some important missions. NASA 2018 missions test Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. Test: the NASA's next exoplanet hunting spacecraft will look for planets as they pass in front of distant stars. But, TESS will study stars throughout the entire night sky, expanding Kepler's limited range. The plan is for TESS to find the closest rocking exoplanets to Earth. The spacecraft may launch earlier March or later than June. April, November, commercial crew test flights. NASA's Commercial Crew Program, the space agency's initiative to launch astronauts on privately made spacecraft. SpaceX and aircraft manufacturer Boeing combined to develop capsules to carry passengers to the space station. SpaceX going to test flight of the Dragon capsule in April, while Boeing targeting August for an uncrewed flight of the Starliner and crewed flight for November. Launch of NASA InSight Mars lander. NASA's InSight spacecraft is designed to study the interior of the red planet. Originally, the lander was launched in 2016, but the mission delayed after a leak in the spacecraft. Now the spacecraft is nearly ready to launch. It should land on Mars around 7 months later, on November 26. July, August, NASA's Parker Solar Probe. According to NASA, the robotic spacecraft Parker Solar Probe is planned for dispatch in 2018 to investigate the Sun's external environment. The aim of the mission is to trace how energy and heat move through the solar corona and to explore what accelerates the solar wind, also solar energetic particles. August, NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft arrives at an asteroid. In 2016, NASA launched OSIRIS-REx spacecraft for studying the samples of an asteroid named Bennu. The journey of the spacecraft takes about 2 years. Finally, the spacecraft arrived at the asteroid in August 2018, coming within 1.2 million miles of the rock. The onboard engines in spacecraft will move closer and fly information with the asteroid.